Hope you all know that you can actually grow out any length of hair that you want from the comfort of your home without buying expensive products. Creating DIY products from the things you already have in your kitchen and using them to grow out your hair without spending much. Hair growth is made easy. You don't need to break the bank because you already have the things you use to grow your hair in your kitchen. In today's video, we are diving into these powerful spices that you can use to grow out your hair more than even shop bought products. These spices have been used for centuries. I believe by now you all know that when it comes to hair growth, ginger and garlic is superior. Like, this will literally grow your hair so much that you will be so shocked. I haven't found any hair care products in the market that will do what ginger and garlic will do for you. This is literally all you need to grow that thick and luscious hair you've been wanting. If you're battling with hair thinning, slow growth, or stubborn bald spots, it is time to use hair growth's strongest warrior. Ginger and garlic is not just a male kitchen spices. These are powerhouses. They contain all the nutrients needed to get your hair back, to get your hair growing. Ginger is known to be a natural booster. It is a stimulant. When applied to the scalp, it boosts blood circulation, encouraging every single strand of hair to get more oxygen and nutrients. If you're still dealing with bald spots and slow growth, that means you haven't tried ginger. You haven't used ginger on your hair, because if you did, slow growth will be in the past. It also contains gingerol, a powerful compound that fights scalp inflammation, one of the biggest causes of hair loss. Ginger doesn't just help your hair grow faster, it helps grow stronger, shinier, and more voluminous. Garlic is known as a follicle reviver. Garlic is rich in sulfur, vitamin C, and all which are essential for healthy hair strands. The sulfur content in garlic strengthens the hair shaft and prevents breakage. It boosts new hair cell production. Garlic also has antimicrobial property that cleanses the scalp, remove buildup and dandruff that block your hair growth. If you don't have any health issue, then this would definitely work for you. Even if any other DIY doesn't work for you, this will definitely work for you. This is 100% assured. When you combine these two powerful spices, it will create this powerhouse combination that will unclog hair follicle, awaken dormant hair roots, and also restore your hair natural volume and thickness. For this recipe, I will not be peeling the back of the ginger. Always use the back of the ginger whenever you want to use it on your hair. It is equally beneficial. Just make sure you wash it very well to remove all the dirt and the impurities before you go ahead and make use of it. So instead of blending, I optioned out for a grater. I grated my ginger and my garlic together. Feel free to pound or do whatever you want to just to get it in a paste. You can also dice it, but I feel like grating or blending will make the infusion more quicker. If you have sensitive skin, please do not forget to wear a glove while you're doing this, because your hand might start to peel. Ginger and garlic is actually very powerful, so take precaution. So the next thing we need to do is to put this in a pot. So for this video, I am making a leave-in spray. The one I will not be rinsing out. This one, I'm going to leave it in my hair. For that, I will boil it a bit. If you want something you will wash out, please use it fresh. Do not introduce heat, okay? If you know you're washing it out, do not introduce heat. For this video, I am making something I can leave on my hair. Just to give it extra boost, I added a few leaves of bay leaf. This one is optional. You can do away with it if you don't have bay leaf. But if you do have, throw a few leaves in this recipe, because bay leaves too have been used traditionally for promoting hair growth, promoting scalp health. It is also good for stimulating blood flow to the scalp and promoting healthy hair growth. It also contains antioxidant property that can help protect the hair follicle from damages by free radicals. Bay leaves also contains antimicrobial property that can help prevent scalp infection and keep the scalp very healthy. It also helps reduce dandruff and itchiness because it contains anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. It also strengthens the hair from the root, reduce hair shedding, hair breakage, and promotes thicker, healthier hair. So bay leaf is a huge plus in this recipe. Now that we have put everything into the pot, I added a cup of water as you saw. Please ensure that you don't add too much water to avoid being over diluted. Put it on fire and let it boil for about 5 minutes. We are not trying to kill the nutrients, so do not boil more than 5 minutes. Like I said before, the reason I am even boiling it is because I'm going to use it as a leave-in spray. Okay, I'm not going to be washing it out. When you notice that it has started to boil, please off the gas and let it cool off. After about another 5 minutes, it has properly cooled off. This is exactly what we are looking for. This is very potent. If you don't want hair growth, like if you don't want your hair to start growing like crazy, do not use this. As long as you're not having any health issue that is preventing your hair from growing, if you use this consistently, your hair will definitely grow. You'll start seeing baby hair in about 2 to 3 weeks of use. If you're doubting the potency of this, measure your hair before you start to use and use this for a whole month. Then you come back and measure your hair again. You're going to see significant growth. I'm just pouring it in a glass cup so you guys can see the color before I go ahead and transfer it into my applicator bottle. Ensure that you do not add in so much water so it will still be potent. Here are the things you will notice if you start to use this consistently. You're going to notice less shedding and less breakage. Your hair becomes softer and thicker, like your strands will become thicker. You will notice baby hair around your edges and your crown. You will have a cleaner and a healthier scalp. So let's go ahead and transfer this in my applicator bottle. Then I'll show you guys how I use this on my hair. Let me put it out there. You can't use this every day on your hair. It is ginger and garlic and it is very powerful. It is advisable to only use 3 times in a week, and do not use it on babies. All right, do not use it on babies. Now let me quickly show you guys how I use this on my hair. Since I started incorporating DIYs into my hair care regimen, my hair has become so thick, and I don't spend so much money on hair care products anymore because nature has given us everything that we need to care for our hair. So if you're not doing this, I mean incorporating DIY in your hair care routine, is either you're lazy or you don't just want to grow out your hair. Think about it. Your scalp is skin. Just like your face, it needs nourishment. Chemical-based products often strip and weaken your hair follicle over time. But this ginger and garlic spray, it is 100% natural, it is powerful, and it is also guarantees the result. Meaning, if you use this, you're definitely going to see the results. So if you have tried everything and nothing seems to be working for you, this might be something that will change your story. I know I am not the only one that have been saved by this remedy. If you have tried ginger and garlic in your hair and it has worked for you, please comment in the comment section so other people will see that it is not a make believe. It is something that other people have been using and still using in their hair care. If you're going to try this, let me know in the comment section. And if you're already trying it, let me know how it is going for you. Show some love to your hair by preparing this and using it on your hair, and also come back with your feedback. I'll really appreciate it. Give your hair the same care you give to your body and you'll be happy you did. By using this spray on your hair, you are not just moisturizing, you are also feeding your hair with the essential nutrient that it needs to thrive. I'll be using this spray as a leave-in, but if you want to wash it, please feel free to wash it, but make sure you leave it for at least 1 hour, enough time for it to penetrate into the scalp. After watching this video, make sure you start it today. Be consistent and watch your hair flourish naturally. One spray at a time. Do not try to use everything at the same time. One spray at a time. Use it for 1 month to ensure that it works for you. For the lifespan, you can store this in your refrigerator for 7 days, discard it and make another one. Because I'll be using this as a leave-in, ensure that you always coat it with a butter. Use a butter to seal it in. And thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Do have a lovely day. Hope I see you in my next upload. Bye.